run through the tools that I use to build my build-ins. Real quick, I put all my stuff together with air equipment. I don't hand nail my stuff because I'm doing a lot of build-ins with my basement company, the basement remodeling company. So I'm using Porter cable air equipment. And what I have here is just a little pancake compressor, 150 psi, and I'm going to be using two different guns to put these cabinets together. The first one's going to be a gun that shoots longer nails. In this application, we're going to be using 2-inch nails, 2.5-inch nails in this gun. And we're also going to be using smaller brad nailer with 1-inch nails. And I'm going to show you why we're using two different length nails later in this video. I have a 4-foot level handy at all times, some type of straight edge so that I can draw lines. I'm going to be drawing a lot of pencil lines, so I'm more or less using this as just a straight edge. One of the most important tools that you're going to be using is going to be a circular saw. Most of the stuff that you're going to see me do here, most of the cutting is going to be done with this DeWalt circular saw. This is a 7.25-inch DeWalt saw. This is probably about a $150 item right here. If you don't have a circular saw, you're definitely going to want to get one or borrow one for your project. Over here we've got really one of the last items I'm going to be using. I talked about doing a stereo cabinet on this, and I'm going to have to cut in outlets right through the burst. So what I'm going to be using is this Ryobi Jigsaw. If you're going to be painting your build-ins, which most of the time I am, very rarely am I staining them, you're going to want to caulk all your corners inside. I've got some acrylic latex silicone caulking here in white that I'm going to be using to caulk all my inside corners. And lastly, but not least, wood glue. I wood glue everything that I do with these burst build-ins, and you're going to be seeing me apply a lot of glue to all the joints and all the casing that I'm going to be putting on to make these a little more decorative. So let's get started here. The first thing I'm going to do here is get my shop completely set up, and when I come back I'll have my tool belt on and we'll be ready to start diving into these build-ins. So I'll see you in just a few.